In a world-first event, fish and corals at the Great Barrier Reef Aquarium embark on an extraordinary journey. Marine life on the move. Located in Townsville, North Queensland, the beloved aquarium is home to the world's largest living coral reef exhibit, bringing one of the world's most iconic ecosystems, the Great Barrier Reef, to land since it first opened in 1987, making the reef accessible to all. Home to hundreds of different species of fish and a diverse range of corals, these wonderful creatures have entertained and educated millions of visitors over the years. Together, the marine life is part of a groundbreaking adventure. The temporary relocation from the aquarium to the National Sea Simulator at the Australian Institute of Marine Science. A journey they need to take prior to their home being rebuilt into a contemporary national education centre for the Great Barrier Reef. With curator Ed Ung leading the effort, the team will be hard at work over the next 12 weeks.
We'll be working tirelessly to ensure the safe transfer of every piece of coral and marine animal from the Coral Reef exhibit to their temporary new home. They can expect a carefully orchestrated journey with every step planned to ensure their safety and well-being.
The daily schedule is packed with critical tasks, from early morning starts observing and packing fish or coral, to routine checks ensuring their well-being before, during and after their travel.
One of our biggest challenges is to make sure that our fish and corals are transported with minimal stress.
The unique scenario of the clownfish and sea anemone poses a particular challenge. Their symbiotic relationship means traditional fish traps and coral preparation methods don't work for them. This delicate operation begins with careful preparation. Divers work tirelessly to ensure the coral and fish are safely secured. While the corals are carefully removed and prepared for transport, the sea cage remains in place, conditioning the fish over several months to swim into it voluntarily.
Once a large number of fish are in the cage, we close the door and prepare to move them to the holding pens. From there, they'll be packed and transferred. This happens over a few days to reduce stress.
The net is then reset to continue conditioning the fish to swim back into it. Collecting fish while minimising stress requires skill and care. Fortunately, the aquarium has a skilled team of experienced divers.
The dives can be intense. These dives require calm, precise movements and a lot of patience, all while monitoring the fish's physical health and behaviour so that we can prioritise their well-being.
To ensure the health of the marine life during their relocation, each fish receives special treatment to prevent any illnesses. Over several weeks, the team ensures every detail is planned for the road trip. Senior Sea Sim technician Tom Barker has been working closely with the aquarium team to get everything ready.
These systems have been set up by the Sea Sim, which is a sophisticated system here that's simulating what's happening out on the reef. So we're working together with the aquarium team and holding these animals temporarily before they move into their new home.
With their arrival, the fish and corals start to feel at ease, adjust to their new surroundings and settle in. This new temporary home will provide a safe environment where the animals can continue to thrive. Moving fish and coral from a 2.5 million litre exhibit over 3 months showcases the precise planning, expert collaboration and unwavering commitment to animal welfare from the team.
And we can't wait to do it all again when it's time to move into their new home at the transformed Great Barrier Reef Aquarium.
Until then, the aquarium team will continue to care for and protect the marine life until such time they can move back and start to educate and entertain visitors again at home in the new Great Barrier Reef Aquarium.